Today we'll see how to connect your Google Home Mini as a Bluetooth speaker. So in the box or in description, they have not mentioned anywhere about this Bluetooth settings. So for that, you need to ask your Google Home Mini to pair the Bluetooth. Only if you ask for the pair, so that device will be available here. It will be visible here. Currently, I'm switched on. I don't see any devices. So only if you ask Google Home Mini, so then it will be like available. So let's ask, guys. Hey Google, pair Bluetooth.
Sure, looking for paired devices. Okay, to connect, open Bluetooth settings and look for the device called hallway speaker.
Yeah, I just switched on again. Yes guys, here is the one. Yeah, this is the thing guys, actually people by default it will not be enabled. Only if you ask Google Home Mini to enable it. So it's connected now, so you can use as pretty much as a Bluetooth speaker, because it's really useful guys. I can play some music, free songs, no copyrights.
Get your favorite dishes delivered home. Order online.
Yeah, that's all guys. I think it's already playing. I just want to show. Okay guys, if you want to clear the Bluetooth cache, you can ask us, hey Google, clear the Bluetooth.
You want to clear your list of paired Bluetooth devices, is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Alright, cleared.
Yeah, it just cleared guys. So this is a quick video guys. I just want to show all this information. So thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.